We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as elementary. You do want to stress on the third syllable, on the men syllable, elementary. In American English, however, this is usually pronounced as elementary, elementary in American English versus elementary in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.